The majority of people are sleeping on these crypto moves. Don't let that be you. And remember to watch this video to the end so you get your free trade alert. Hey, I'm Scott, founder of Trade Alert HQ and professor at the Financial Freedom Academy. My goal is simple. On this channel, I work for you to take your trading and investing game to the next level. I'll give you real-time strategies and trade alerts to help you on your road to financial freedom. After leaving my corporate job in 2016, I've been trading stocks and crypto full-time while traveling all over the world. I'm here to pass along everything I've learned so you can skip the guesswork and start making winning moves right now. Every week, I'll bring you in-depth stock and crypto analysis, real-time buy and sell alerts, and answer any questions you have so you feel confident in every decision you make. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join the Trade Alert HQ family. Your journey to the next level of financial freedom starts here. These markets are on fire, diving right in. Peanut the squirrel is up this week over a 7-day time frame, 1,500%. Now, if you don't know about Peanut the squirrel, check it out. It's a pretty interesting story right before the elections. But anyhow, this is meme culture at its finest. These meme coins are taking off. Don't sleep on these. Now, don't chase the pump either. I'll cover Peanut later. Also, Dogecoin, Department of Government Efficiency, according to Elon Musk, is up 100% over the last 7 days. Now, that's also a trade alert, okay, and that's going well. CRO is up 100%. Utility token. PEPE. Hey, making moves. PEPE is up 100% over the last 7 days. It got listed on Coinbase, finally. So that's pumping PEPE. And I have an update on PEPE for you. So make sure you hang out and watch this. Now, let's dive right in. I'm going to make this quick. I don't want to waste time, and I want you to get a lot of value. So let's go right into it. Now, Bitcoin's making big moves. We talked about it last week. We said, look, Bitcoin breaking out here is bullish. We anticipate more upside. And boy, have we gotten it. It hasn't pulled back yet. This is a weekly time frame. So on the weekly chart, these are the weekly candles. Now, I don't recommend chasing these pumps like this. If you want to do anything, you want to look for a pullback. So let's quickly talk about what I think could happen here. So basically on a fib extension, I'm looking at the next target for Bitcoin right here at 95.2. It should at least cool off if it hits that level. And then the next level above, we're looking for 104.1. That's a high time frame fib level of resistance. So I do expect a reaction at that level. And we have higher targets up into 127. Let's take that level to level. We don't want to get into that right now. For now, we're between this level at 95.3 essentially and this support resistance flip right around 87. So can Bitcoin pull back? Yes, it can. Let's see what it does if it does a shallow retrace. We're going to look at a little fib pullback here, okay? We're looking at the most shallow around 85, 86. If we get a little deeper retrace, 82. And then, of course, a total nuke, which would catch everyone off guard, would be the golden pocket down around 74. I don't anticipate that. This is looking very strong. So expect continuation. Pullbacks are probably going to get bought up pretty heavily here because this is an all-time high. There's really not a lot of resistance and prices in discovery. It's trying to figure out where and how high it can go. Let's jump into Ethereum. Ethereum doing exactly what we said last week. If you watched the video, I said if we break above 2770-ish, we're going to shoot straight up and hit this R level, this resistance at 3370. And you can see that's exactly what has happened. We're pulling back from resistance as expected. This is probably going to continue to go after a little consolidation here. SRSI is still up and RSI is over 50. That leans bullish, okay? We're expecting this to continue to go. Let's look at Solana update. Same thing. Last week we talked about a breakout. Unlikely that it was a fake out, and it sure continued on to SR flip level right here at 207. If we stay at 207 and hold this level, we're going to shoot straight up to 268 next. If we break back inside this range, you can buy a pullback, okay, probably to about 187 if we get it. Now, that's why it's important to be in these moves early. A lot of people are sleeping on crypto right now. They could care less. It's not really in the media. Once it's in the media, it's going to be time to sell, but get in good positions now. Bitcoin dominance. This chart is typically boring, but for us, it means a lot. If you see this chart continue to go up, you're going to see Bitcoin keep pumping and pumping. Now, I'm thinking if we can get up to the 63, 64% level, at that point, it might be good to switch out your Bitcoin and really think about altcoins. Stay ahead of the game with real-time trade alerts. Hit subscribe and turn the notifications on so you're always the first to know about the latest stock and crypto moves. Your financial freedom is just one click away. Let's crush those gains together. Now, I'm kind of anticipating the altcoin move to be much bigger than Bitcoin personally. So I'm already kind of heavy alts. But if you see Bitcoin dominance break below the 60% level, you're going to see an alt season like you can't believe. You still have time now, so pay attention. Get into some good positions now. You don't want to start trying to get into your alts as this thing crashes down eventually. We're not there yet, so you have time. Let's take a look at Total 3. This is the market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are the big boys. We're going to move those out. We're going to talk about everything else in crypto. This is moving. Look at it. I mean, it broke out. It's above this 733 billion level, and it's trying to reclaim that as support. When you're going to see the biggest altcoin moves is when this market cap goes from 733 to 1.12 trillion. This move. That's when you want to be in those altcoins, okay? You don't want to chase those later. You want to get in now and just be patient. Not into anything, by the way. You need to be into the quality projects and use risk management. Also, protect your capital. We can explain that to you in the Financial Freedom Academy if you want to know about Fibonacci's and things like that. The link is in the description. It's free to join the email list. I'm not going to explain this too much. I'm just going to say it looks good. There's nothing else to talk about, but you have time to get into your alts. This chart is crucial. USDT dominance. That's Tether, the stable coin. When you see this chart top out, that's usually the bear market bottom for Bitcoin. When you see it hit this parallel channel bottom, that's usually the bull market top. That said, we can't get ahead of ourselves here, because if this breaks under this channel, you're going to see a move in Bitcoin that's really going to have everyone paying attention. We're not breaking under this yet. We're actually holding this. So we might get a little chop consolidation for Bitcoin pretty soon. This is a 2-week chart, by the way. So these little moves here take like 6 to 8 weeks to play out. We have time. So I'm kind of expecting some volatility right around the inauguration of Trump, right around January 20th. So right now it's kind of a field day for everything. Stocks and crypto are just blasting off. We might get a little volatility around that January 20th date. So keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at PNUT real quick. Well, PNUT is up a lot. All right. If I were to get into PNUT, I would want to buy this 9 EMA, probably around the 382 retrace around $1.24. Meme coins are very dangerous and very volatile. So use risk management, but that would be the first pullback level, about $1.24. We'll check back next week. PEPE. This thing skyrocketed. Why would you even want to, pay attention to this channel? Well, there was a trade alert long PEPE back here in March of 2024. So just to give you an idea, $1,000 invested here is worth $12,000 now. So those are the type of moves we're talking about here. These aren't everyday type of things. So it's important to, subscribe, like the video, comment, share with friends, and also have your alerts on so you get the videos right away. Now, I wouldn't chase PEPE here. However, if you see price come back to 0.12345 zeros, 17, this level right here, that could be a long setup for PEPE with risk management. There's something I like even better. That's your trade alert of the week. Now let's take a look at Fetch.AI. Okay, AI is a huge narrative. Meme coins, AI, and gaming I'm most bullish on for this cycle. Now, here's a long alert of the week. If you see Fetch.AI get above this level at 140 to 141, that's $1 to $1.41, that's a long trigger, and you can target up into this target zone basically between 4 and 8, but 6 would be a great target from here. So, you're talking about quite a move in percentage terms, and this is an explosive altcoin. So it's a nice trade alert. Use risk management. Don't bet the farm, but just remember that if you see price get above this level at 141, 1.41, it's very likely going to shoot up here into this target zone over the next coming months. Now, SRSI is up. RSI is holding that 50 level, so this is looking pretty good right now. That's been your trade alert in crypto for the week. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, I have stocks coverage coming out, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Your support drives this community. If this video brought you value, hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, here at Trade Alert HQ, you're the first to know about real-time trade alerts. We're growing fast and you are at the heart of it. I'm here working for you, so let's keep this momentum going. Your financial freedom starts here.